Next one, 8.27, 28, 29, 27, 28, 29. So the 27 is the name a suitable technique of separation of the components from a mixture of calcium sulfate and camphor. So mixture of calcium sulfate and camphor, it is separated by sublimation because camphor is a sublimized compound but calcium sulfate cannot. So answer is sublimation because camphor is sublimizes but not CaSO4. Next 8.28. Explain why an organic liquid vaporizes at a temperature below its boiling point in its steam distillation. So in steam distillation, here Dalton's law, according to Dalton's law, P is equal to P1 plus P2. P is total pressure, P1 is the organic compound pressure, P2 is the water pressure, steam. So it is the total pressure. It always organic compound pressure is lower than the total pressure. So that's why organic liquid vaporizes at a temperature below its boiling point in its steam distillation. So P1 before its distillates, its decomposes. So its boiling point. So its boiling point is less than the total pressure. That's why. So according to Dalton's law, organic liquid vaporizes at a temperature below its boiling point. So that is the totally answer is Dalton's law, and organic compound is vapor pressure is less than that of total pressure. That's all. Next one, 8.29. Will CCl4 give white PPT of AgCl on heating with AgNO3? Give reason. So 8.29. Will CCl4 give white precipitate? No, because CCl4 is a non-polar covalent molecule. Non-polar covalent molecule, but AgNO3 is ionic compound. That's why there is no reaction. So answer is no.